Hey, it's that video guy. Hey, you're the videographer, right? These are the common labels that people put on my industry. And unknowingly, I have actually been contributing to those same stereotypes about what I do. So in turn, people ask me, oh, so you do weddings, right? You do events, right? You do birthday parties? Hell no. I want to suggest we are all not in the business that we think we are in. Now I want to talk about one of my good friends. His name is Derek Chew. He's a fantastic guy, fantastic storyteller. People would normally label him or know him as a brand specialist, but that's really not the business he is in. He is in the red carpet business. Yes, as name suggests, red carpet. He can get you featured on media. You want who works the whole red carpet, lights, cameras, action, he's the guy to go to, he can get you there. And that's his passion because he personally believes in telling a good story, in putting people in front of the screen, the big camera, and really featuring their awesomeness in front of the camera. That's what he personally believes in. He believes in telling a good story. He's very active in the theatre scene in Singapore, and there's nothing he loves more than telling a good story, putting people in front of the media, and really helping them to express themselves. And I want to talk about the second person, my best friend and also my life partner, May Sim, Asia's #1 astrologer. So the common label on her is astrologer, and that's the nice one. The not so nice one, fortune teller, but that really is not the business she is in. She is in the life transformation business. She has helped countless people cause a transformation in their quality of lives, in their career, in what they do, and live the kind of life that they love. She is in the life transformation business because she believes that everyone deserves to live a life they love. And she wants to be instrumental to helping people to cause that breakthrough in living a life that is well-loved living. Personally, I'm in the hero-making business through sensational storytelling, and I use customized and strategic video series production to do the job so that people will buy more, and buy faster from you. When I use the word hero, of course you might think of things like superheroes. I personally love superheroes, incredible. What I mean by heroes, these people are unique in what they do. They are inspiring to others, and they are often not most people. In fact, most people look up to them and they want to be like them. These are the people that I work with. I bring awareness and pre-selling to them so that people buy into them as a person. And that's very important to me because for me, I believe that every person has a unique story of their own to tell. I help them to express that story, to bring that story out, to inspire the world so that people can learn from them, people can be like them, and more importantly, people buy into them as a person. And I personally believe that's very important for the ever-changing nature of consumer behavior going forward today. Now, how does that relate to you? You probably are not in the business that you think you are in, that your customers think that you are in. Let me give you an example. People in the insurance line, they are not really in the insurance business. Not at all. They are maybe in the business of selling hope. They may be in the business of selling a peace of mind. And each of them bring to their clients a very unique proposition based on what they personally believe in about insurance, how it has moved them, touched them, and even got them into the industry in the first place. They are in the business of fulfilling something that is important to you and something that is important to people around you, that is uniquely you.
What else you got?
Okay, then I'm going to tell you to be your own man.
But I want to be a great scientist like Albert Einstein.
Sheldon, when your days are over, God will never ask you, why weren't you Einstein? But he might ask, why weren't you Sheldon?
Very short segment from a show that I personally love very much, Young Sheldon. See, at the end of days, people want to remember you for who you uniquely are. Share with us in the comments below, what business do you think that you truly are in? Follow, like, and subscribe for more content like this if you found this to be useful, and I'll see you in the next episode.